Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Robert Monroe. Unfortunately, our workshop was canceled this evening, but we got something even better. We're going to share it right here this evening, right here.
And I'm Toya Monroe. And one of the things that we were going to share in our workshop with Empowered Families, all about AI for busy families, is that you can use your favorite AI tool, whether it's ChatGPT, which we call Charlie, Google Gemini, or Claude, or another one,
Or Abacus AI, my favorite.
or Abacus AI, his favorite, to create meal plans and recipes on the fly. Now, I don't like to cook, but
I love cooking. I can cook in my sleep.
and he's very good at it, but I'm not too shabby, right?
Not at
Right?
all. Not at all.
So, what you can do is type into your AI tool of choice what food items you have in your refrigerator and pantry, such as we have chicken right now and frozen a whole bunch of frozen vegetables,
Indeed.
right? And some bread and some biscuits and things like that. And you can just say, hey, tell us a recipe for a family of four, one with a picky eater, one who loves chicken, one who loves vegetables, and one who has a seafood allergy, and make the recipe something that can be done in 20 minutes. It will give you something that you probably haven't thought about for a minute. So go try that out. But Rob has a bonus tip.
Hey, but what I was blown away with is that you can actually type in your store and it will tell you the exact aisle and everything, so you're not just clamoring around the store getting things that we don't need like we always do. So I think that's a very important thing.
And he's really talking about me. So when you create those recipes, especially if you're doing it for a week, because you can do it for a day, you could do it for a week, you could even do it for a month, but you can create a grocery list for those recipes, and that grocery list can be customized to the store you are going to. And it is a game changer, right?
It's huge. It's huge. I mean, it will keep you from wasting a lot of time in the evenings.
Awesome. So if you are a busy family, I invite you to come follow us on either Facebook or LinkedIn to get more tips and tricks like this. As always, thank you so much for watching.
Have a good evening.
Better together.